the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Say, Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, how are you doing today?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing today?
I'm very well.
Awesome. That's good to hear.
Alexa, who is the President of United States?
The President of the United States is Donald Trump. By the way, I can learn your voice to improve your Alexa experience. Would you like to try it?
Now, Alexa, say joke.
How did the world get inspired to make flying cars? They saw a Rohit Shetty movie.
Alexa, Alexa, set volume to 10. Alexa, play some music.
Here is a playlist you recently listened to. Ilayaraja Heartbreak Songs, Telugu, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, play NCS songs.
It's Infinity by various artists on Amazon Music.
Alexa, reduce the sound. Reduce the volume, Alexa. Alexa, reduce the volume to 4.
Alexa, set volume to 10. Alexa, set volume to 2. Alexa, set volume 6. Alexa, play some Telugu music.
The station Top Tollywood on Amazon Music.
Set volume 10. Telugu. Alexa, set volume 10. Alexa, set volume 6. Set reminder at 10 o'clock today.
What's the reminder for?
It's a bedtime.
Okay, I'll remind you at 10 pm.
Alexa, what's the weather now?
Currently, in Hyderabad, Telangana, it's 23 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 21 degrees. Hope you're having a great weekend.
Okay. Alexa, should I carry an umbrella tomorrow?
It might rain in Hyderabad, Telangana tomorrow. There's a 40% chance. You can expect about 1 millimeter.
Alexa, had you dinner today?
Here's something I found on the web. According to sparkpeople.com,
Ask something.
How old are you?
I've arrived at 5.
What is the distance between Kakinada and Hyderabad?
Kakinada is 342 kilometers from Hyderabad as the crow flies.
Alexa, read some news for me.
Here's your news. From India Today.
Hello, here's the latest news from India today.
The fight over Shashi Tharoor's remark on India's COVID fight escalates. BJP accused Congress MP of
Alexa, stop. Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Huh?
Happy birthday to you.
Alexa,
Birthday,
set volume to 6.
birthday to you.
Alexa, announce hurry up.
What's the announcement?
Hurry up.
Announcing.
Hurry up. Alexa, bark like a dog. Alexa, can you talk Telugu?
I can talk English, I can walk English, and I can love English. I also speak in Hindi and other languages like German and Japanese, and I'm learning more every day.